Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by installing Clip Studio Paint on both your desktop and mobile device using the same account. Confirm both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network or prepared for a USB connection with a 1-meter cable. Open Clip Studio on the computer and enable screen sharing or device connection in the program preferences. On your phone, grant necessary permissions for local network access and file transfer. Temporarily disable strict firewall rules or add an exception for Clip Studio Paint so the devices can see each other. Plug a 1-meter USB cable between your phone and computer and set the phone to file transfer or USB debugging mode. Launch Clip Studio Paint on the desktop and go to File, then connect to device to begin pairing. Wait for the desktop to detect the phone and show a device name in the connection dialog. On the phone, accept any prompts that request permission for file transfer and input control. Verify the connection by opening a canvas and testing pen input from the phone. To connect over Wi-Fi, confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and open Clip Studio on both devices. On the desktop, select Connect to Device and either display the QR code or show the 6-digit pairing code. Use the mobile app to scan the code or manually enter the 6-digit code to pair. Test pen pressure and responsiveness and adjust latency or image quality settings if available. Save the connection preferences and restart both apps if you experience intermittent drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.